Ever dream of having a magic wand that could make your brand the star of the digital show? Well, guess what? That magic is real, and it's called AI-powered digital marketing. Imagine having a friendly wizard whispering the magic words in your ear, helping you find your way in a digital forest filled with people waiting to be amazed by your brand. With a swish and a flick, this digital magic clears the path, leading you straight to the hearts of your audience. Let's open the enchanted book of AI and journey through its pages to discover how this wizardry can turn the tricky online maze into a playground full of treasures waiting to be discovered. With every step, your brand shines brighter, capturing smiles and cheers from the crowd. And the most exciting part? This is only the beginning of a magical adventure that will take your brand to places you've never imagined. Now, let's give a warm welcome to Millionaire Ventures Online, the magical realm where all these wonders unfold. This is your go-to place to discover the enchanting world of digital marketing. So, grab your magic wand, and let's step into a world where your brand isn't just seen but remembered and loved. The digital realm is about to become your brand's new magical kingdom. Unveiling the magic spells of AI. Imagine a giant digital playground, bustling with brands playing a grand game of hide and seek with the audience. It's like a lively fair, where everyone is showcasing their colorful booths to attract visitors. But among the cheerful crowd, you have a magic map glittering with enchanting secrets. This map, dear friends, is powered by the spell of artificial intelligence, AI, in marketing. It's like having a clever buddy who knows all the secret corners and fun spots of this grand fair. This buddy whispers in your ear where your new friends, audience, are, and what games they enjoy, and even helps you join in the fun, making you the star of the playground. Now, let's sprinkle some more magic dust and unveil the enchanting tools that dance along with AI to create a carnival of opportunities. Our first magical buddy is Canva. It's not just a tool to scribble colors. It's like having a personal artist who knows exactly what colors and patterns will make your audience's eyes sparkle with joy. With a wave of its magic wand, Canva whispers the trending styles that resonate with the heartbeats of your audience, making your brand shine bright in the digital sky. Slide into the magical world of Lumen 5, a wizard that turns your humble words into a parade of mesmerizing moving pictures. Just whisper your story to Lumen 5, and like a skilled magician, it crafts videos that dance and sing your story, keeping eyes glued to the captivating tale you tell. Oh, but what about the words? We have Grammarly, the smarty pants editor who loves polishing your messages till they shine bright like morning stars. It's like having a wise old owl who ensures every word you utter is clear and crisp, and holds the audience in a sweet spell, making sure they understand and feel every word. Now, let's hop onto the magic carpet and glide into the whimsical world of chatbots with wizards like Drift and Intercom. It's like having a friendly genie who's always there to chat, guide, and entertain your visitors, taking them on a magical ride through the enchanted forest of your brand. And atop the magic kingdom sits the crown jewel, Google's AI-powered advertising. It's like having the world's cleverest sorcerer who, with a dash of magic, places your banners in the royal courts, where all eyes and ears are eager for the wonders you offer. It's your personal herald in the digital kingdom, announcing your brand's tale to all the eager ears. With AI and these magical companions by your side, your adventure through the digital playground is nothing short of a fairy tale. It's not about shouting in the noisy crowd, but about finding the right playmates who cheer and celebrate the magical journey with you. Every turn in this digital maze unveils a treasure chest of opportunities, where you not only share your magical offerings but create joyous echoes of laughter and delight. So, with a heart full of dreams and a hat full of magic, step into the charming world of AI-powered digital marketing. And let's make the digital playground a realm filled with wonders, excitement, and endless tales of success. Strategies to win the digital game. In the vast digital playground, having magical tools is like owning a treasure chest of colorful toys. However, knowing the right tricks to play with these toys is what crowns you the champion of the digital games. Let's unravel the magic of personalization first. Imagine a world where everyone shouts, "Hey you," amidst a noisy crowd. Now, imagine amidst this noise, someone calls you by your name, "Hey, name." It feels special, right? It's like getting a secret note in a bustling classroom. In the digital world, tools like Opt-in Monster and WriteMessage are your friendly elves. They help you whisper personalized messages into the ears of your audience, making each one feel like they've received a special invitation to a magical feast. Now, onto the mystical realm of predictive analysis. It's like having a crystal ball that lets you peek into the future. It tells you what games your audience would love to play next. And who helps you with this magical foresight? It's the wise wizards, Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics. They help you see the tomorrow, today. So, you can prepare a grand welcome for your audience, presenting them with what they desire even before they ask. The magic doesn't end here. We have more friends to meet: content optimization, automated marketing campaigns, and social media optimization. They are like your playful buddies, each having its own magic trick to make your brand the shining star in the digital sky. With every strategy, the magic of AI is like a golden thread, weaving certainty into guesses. Ensuring every step you take in the digital adventure leads you to victory, making you the hero of the digital saga. Turning pebbles into diamonds. In the grand digital garden, data pebbles are scattered everywhere. But hold on, with the magic touch of AI, these pebbles transform into shiny diamonds of insight. Tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot are your treasure hunters. They scout through the digital garden, picking up precious nuggets that unveil the secrets of what makes your audience cheer with joy. It's like finding hidden clues that lead to the heart of your audience, helping you win their cheers and smiles. Engaging audiences like a star. Engagement is not about lighting up the sky with flashy fireworks. It's about kindling a warm, glowing spark in the hearts. With AI, your messages become the soft whispers and cheerful tunes that resonate with your audience, creating a rhythm that dances through their hearts, leaving a melody that's remembered and hummed. It's about creating magic that twinkles in the eyes of your audience, making your brand a beloved melody in the grand digital orchestra. In this enchanting journey, every message you send, every story you tell, becomes a magical spell that draws your audience into a delightful dance. It's a dance where your brand leads with grace, and your audience follows with joy, creating a saga of success, joy, and magical memories. In the vast digital playground, every day is a new game, a new adventure. And with AI by your side, every step is a leap towards victory, a cheer of joy echoing through the digital skies. Stepping into the boundless realm of the digital playground may seem like embarking on an endless game. But with AI-powered digital marketing, it's like having a magic wand that turns challenges into victories. As you hit that subscribe button, you're not just making a choice. You're opening a gateway to a land filled with magic, wonder, and endless possibilities on Millionaire Ventures Online. It's an invitation to a grand adventure where learning, exploration, and creativity flow like rivers of imagination. In this digital voyage, your brand isn't just a name, it becomes a star. Twinkling bright with possibilities, casting a warm, inviting glow in the hearts of your audience. Every interaction becomes a memorable moment, every message a friendly handshake, and every campaign a carnival of engagement. And as you weave through this journey, you're not alone. You're part of a spirited community at Millionaire Ventures Online, where the quest for knowledge and mastery is the heartbeat that drives innovation. Together, we'll turn the vast online cosmos into a vibrant playground, where your brand soars, dives, and dances in a choreography of success. Let's make each click a cause for celebration, each strategy a step towards stardom, and each insight a leap towards a legacy of digital excellence. So, as you step forward into this realm, remember, it's a world where your brand is the hero of its own story, destined to shine bright in the hearts and minds of your audience, creating tales of triumph that echo through the digital eternity.